lot of times under stressful situations, we go away mentally. And you wouldn't even remember the test. Be present.
And I can throw it up on my computer to see it.
Know what you're doing. You make a mistake, suck it up and do it again. We all make mistakes. Our job is not to avoid making mistakes. Our job is to learn from our mistakes and move on. That's it. Straightforward, easy. Okay. Do we have any injuries?